Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to backup your documents on Windows 10. First, we need to make sure that the hard drive is accessible through the Explorer. This is our USB hard drive. Then we go to Start, Settings, Updates and Security, and then we click Backup on the left side. Once we are in the backup configuration, we need to add external hard drive. The slide that automatically backup my files is now on. Windows will backup our files regularly while hard drive is connected. By default, it will backup files every hour and all files and folders in user profile. We can change how often do we need to take backups. And we can change how long do we need to keep backups. Also, we have an option to remove folder from the backup process. And we have an option to add folder into a backup process. We also have an option to exclude specific folder from the backup process. Now, since you know how to configure file history, you have no excuse not to backup your important documents.